Here is the sign for clothes. Okay, we're going to use both hands, and we're just going to use this hand shape right here. We could say the number 5 hand shape, or just all the fingers stretched out. Okay, we're going to use both hands, and the movements are going to happen at the same time. We're going to use the tips of the thumbs, and we're going to touch twice on our chest. Now it's a downward movement. Clothes. Clothes. From the side. Clothes. Other side. Clothes. From the front again. Okay, starting from the rest position, sign with me. Let's do clothes 3 times. Clothes. 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 All right, quick review. Hand shapes are the same, just like the number 5. 2 open hands. Take those thumbs, use the tips of the thumbs, go to your chest and slide down quickly twice. Clothes. Clothes. Okay, we just talked about how to sign clothes.